We the Animals by Justin Torres.
3 brothers, 2 parents, 1 family. 1 coming-of-age story, 2 oppressive brothers, 3 words describe them. We the Animals. This book dives straight into the narrator's memoirs about his family and his chaotic lifestyle. This unnamed character watches his family as if he weren't part of it, different from each of them. The youngest of the family goes on to become someone or to destroy himself. In 125 pages, you can read a story that gives you insight to another state of mind, watching and listening.
One of the reasons we think you should read We the Animals is because, unlike most modern narratives, it is written in a unique and poetic way.
Also, the point of view is unique in the sense that Justin Torres' take on this coming-of-age story focuses more on the family rather than the main character himself.
Lastly, the emotions in the book switch from fun-having, light-hearted little boys in the first half to growing up in a dark part of New York in the second half, so neither side overwhelms you. And that's why you should read We the Animals.